Good morning. I welcome you to this relaxing setting your intention for the day morning meditation, in which I will guide you to set your intention for this day. But what does it mean to set your intention for the day? For example, if you have a free day and you want to relax, you can set an intention to have a calm day, to be balanced and still. If you have a lot of work to do, you can set an intention to have a productive day, or to be able to focus and concentrate. To begin this session, please sit in your bed, on a sofa, or chair in a comfy position of your choice. Begin to breathe slowly in and out. Gently closing your eyes. Connect with the present moment, with yourself, with your mood. How do you feel on this relaxing morning? Lengthen your spine. Take your chin into a chest slightly and begin to breathe deeply in and out. Inhale, pause for 2 seconds, and exhale out through your mouth all the air, relaxing your shoulders and upper back. Inhale profoundly. Pause for 2 seconds and exhale out through your mouth with a gentle sigh. One more time. Inhale deeply. Pause for 2 seconds and exhale out through your mouth. Gently return to your normal breathing and let your whole being relax and unwind. Observe where in your body parts you feel pressure. In the morning, our bodies can feel tense and tight. Continue to breathe slowly, releasing all the strain you may feel as you exhale. You can imagine that you inhale pure white light in those areas where you're tense. And as you exhale, all that tension comes out as black smoke. Feel your entire body relaxing more and more with each breath you take. Please put your mind on pause and watch your thoughts, becoming an observer of them. Accept your wandering mind and return to the rhythm of your breathing each time an idea comes. Know that your respiration is the easiest tool to help you relax and detach from distractions. Now think about this day and contemplate what you need to accomplish today. What is your intention? Stay here for a few moments. Do not rush and take your time to set your intention. Breathe in and out, becoming aware of your day. Be sincere with yourself and think if you need more focus today, concentration, calmness, or relaxation. Set your intention for this day and smile. Stay here for a few moments, feeling the surface beneath your body supporting you. Ground yourself into this moment and continue breathing in and out. Now that you set your intention for this day, you can imagine this happening. Breathe in and out. Visualizing your day after this meditation. What do you wish to do and manifest? What are your intentions? Visualization is one of the most potent tools for manifestation. Stay here and continue to breathe in and out. Imagine in your day and your intention manifesting. Observe all the details of your visualization. How do you feel? Who is there with you? What are you doing? Where are you? Stay here and use as many details as possible to create this image of your day. See yourself having a fantastic day and manifesting everything you wish. Breathe in and out, noticing how you feel. Stay in this visualization as much as you wish. Imagine in your day unfolding with so much joy, peace, and love. Note that you can do this each morning. Setting your intention and visualizing your day as you wish it to happen. The most important thing here is to avoid getting attached to your intention and detaching from it. So if something does not happen how you wanted, do not get disappointed. All things come for a reason in life. Sometimes we need to trust and go with the flow a little bit. Even if things do not happen as we want. When you feel ready to end this meditation, stop visualizing anything and breathe. Observing how you feel. Stretch your body, move your head from side to side a few times, and gently open your eyes. Continue this day filled with trust, calmness, and joy. If you enjoyed this meditation, You can download it for free using the first link in the description below this video. This allows you to bring more mindfulness to your life at any time and place.